GetLeads by Rainex AI is a game changer in the world of digital marketing, and in this review, I'll walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know about this just released AI software. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how it can help you streamline your lead generation efforts and elevate your marketing strategy to the next level. Now, before we dive in, I want to let you know that you can try GetLeads by Rainex AI completely free from the first link in the description below. This is an incredible opportunity to test out the software and see if it's the right fit for your business needs. So, let's get started. The first thing you should know is that GetLeads by Rainex AI is all about optimizing lead generation. If you're tired of wasting time on outdated methods that barely bring in quality leads, this software could change everything for you. It uses advanced AI to target the right audience, analyze their behavior, and provide insights that'll help you convert leads faster and more efficiently. One of the standout features of GetLeads by Rainex AI is its ability to create hyper-targeted campaigns. This software leverages machine learning algorithms to automatically adjust your marketing efforts based on real-time data, ensuring that your campaigns are always optimized for the best results. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, this can help you focus your resources on the prospects that matter most. Another crucial point is its simplicity and ease of use. Despite being powered by cutting-edge AI, GetLeads is designed with user-friendliness in mind. You don't need to be a tech expert to get started, and the intuitive interface makes it easy to set up campaigns and track performance. GetLeads also stands out for its integration capabilities. It works seamlessly with a wide range of marketing tools, CRMs, and platforms that you're probably already using, making the transition to this software super smooth. The ability to integrate with existing workflows means you can immediately start using it without disrupting your current processes. What really sets GetLeads apart, though, is its automation features. With just a few clicks, you can automate lead nurturing, follow-ups, and even outreach. This means you can spend less time manually managing leads and more time focusing on growing your business. A lot of AI tools claim to deliver insights, but GetLeads takes it a step further by offering actionable recommendations. The software doesn't just tell you what's happening with your leads, it helps you understand why it's happening and what you can do to improve. This level of detail is invaluable for anyone serious about improving their marketing strategy. The final point I want to highlight is its scalability. Whether you're just getting started or you've been running digital marketing campaigns for years, GetLeads is built to grow with you. The software can handle increasing amounts of data without sacrificing performance, which is crucial if you're looking for a long-term solution. So, there you have it, 7 key things you need to know about GetLeads by Rainex AI. From its ease of use to its powerful automation, this software is designed to make your lead generation more effective and efficient. And remember, you can try it completely free using the link in the description below. If you're looking for more AI tools that can help you grow your business, I've got some recommendations in the description based on my personal experience with thousands of AI softwares. Don't forget to check those out. Thanks for watching.